Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for one of the amazing lessons, that is how you will apply cinematic effect on your video footage. If you were looking for learning the cinematography, this is one of the best lesson is going to be for you, and we are going to learn how you apply the cinematic effect. So let me show you an example. I placed some video files from our exercise file, and let me play this video clip, and you can take a look the preview in our program panel. Let me play this one. Okay, cool. It looks like a normal video footage, but we are going to apply the cinematic effect. So let's take a look after applying the cinematic effect. Let me play this one. Now it looks much better than before, and we applied some blended flame footage in between of two video clips. So let me place the indication bar over here, and let me play this one, and you can take a look. I placed two different video footage in our timeline. So when the first video footage is going to be finished and when the new video footage is going to be started, I added a flame footage. So let me play this one. Okay, you just seen we have a flame effect. Okay, over here we have a flame effect, and then we have the crop effect at top, at bottom. So this is the entire process for making your video footage cinematic. So let's take a look how it will make your video footage in cinematic style. So right now I am going to import some video footage from our exercise file. So let's import it. File menu, import option, and inside our exercise file you will get this video 3, video 4, and along with pixels video 1535674. We're going to import this 3 video footage in our project panel. So you just have to select them 3, and then you just have to go for open option. Cool, this is our 3 video footage, and at first I'm going to place this video 3 footage in our project timeline. So let's drag and drop this video 3 footage, and you can take a look. This is a video footage of a couple. They are walking on seaside, and it's a drone view. Okay, cool. So let me place the video for this video footage after this one. Okay, so this video footage also from the same couple, and you can take a look. We don't have any music, or we don't have any proper audio for this video footage, and we are going to add this later. Okay, cool. So you just seen this is a common or general video footage, but we don't have yet any cinematic effect, and we are going to add this one. So let's start the process. So we have to apply an adjustment layer for this video footages, and to add an adjustment layer you just have to right click with your mouse in our project panel, then you will get the new item option. So from the new item option you will get this adjustment layer. So you just have to go for adjustment layer, and here is the pop-up for creating the adjustment layer. Here you have to place the width and height for your video resolution, and then you have to go for the frame per second, and once you place the information for your desired video footage, then you just have to go for OK option. Okay, this is our adjustment layer, and I'm going to apply, or I am going to place this adjustment layer at our video track 3 bar. So let's place the adjustment layer at our video track 3 bar. Okay, You can ask me a question, why not in video track tuber? Because we are going to place another video footage in video track tuber. That's why I'm placing this adjustment layer at video track tuber. So let's pull this adjustment layer with the duration of our entire video. Okay, the duration of our entire video is 52 seconds, and I also placed the adjustment layer for 52 seconds as well. So what is the benefit of adjustment layer? The benefit of adjustment layer is when you will apply any effect in Adobe Premiere Pro, then you have to customize, or you have to settings manually for each and every video clip. Suppose you want to crop top and bottom for this video footage, and you have total 10 or 20 video footage in our timeline. Right now we only have the 2, but when you will apply the crop effect for the video footage 3, then only the crop effect will be applied for this video footage. It will be not applied for the second one, as because you did not added the video footage in the second one. But when you will do for 20 or 30 video footage, you just have to add the crop effect manually for 20 or 30 times. But if you apply the crop effect in adjustment layer, and if you set the crop settings for adjustment layer, then you don't have to apply single or different crop effect for each and every video clip. If you just apply the crop effect in adjustment layer, then the crop effect will be applied all the 20 or 30 video clips. You don't need to add any single or separate effect to each and every video clip, and this is the main benefit of adjustment layer. So I added an adjustment layer, and for making the cinematic effect, I'm going to use the crop effect, and I'm going to crop the top and at bottom. So let's start the process of cropping. To crop this video footage, we have to apply the crop effect. So here is the option for bringing up the effects tab. Here is the effects tab, and in search bar you have to type crop. Okay, here is the crop transform or crop effect, and you have to put this crop effect at the adjustment layer, not in the video footage. So let me place in the adjustment layer, and here is the effect controls tab, and you can take a look. The crop effect, it's applied on adjustment layer, not applied on video footage. And here is the settings of crop. So as we are going to crop for top and bottom, and then we will have a cinematic effect. So here is the portion, and right now all we have the 0%, but I want to crop top for 8%. So you can write the manual value over here, and here is the preview. You can take a look. We have the 8% crop at top, as well as we are going to crop 8% at bottom. So let me put the manual value. Okay, you can take a look. We have 8% crop at bottom, so 8% crop at top, 8% crop at bottom. So now it looks like a cinematic effect. So you can ask me question, is really crop effect applied for the second video footage? Right now we have the indication bar for our first video footage, but is it applied for the second one? So let me place the indication bar at our second video footage. Okay, you can take a look. The crop effect also applied for the second one. So this is the major benefit of adjustment layer. So now let me play the video clip from the beginning. Okay, now it really looks good. So right now we are going to add the flame effect for the two video clip. When the first video clip is going to be finished and when the second video clip is going to be started, we're going to add a flame effect. So let's get back to our project panel. Here is the project panel, and I added a pixels video, and this is the video about the flame, and I am going to place this video footage at our video track toolbar. So let's drag and drop it. Okay, cool. So let me place the indication bar at here. Okay, this is the video footage of flame, but I am not going to place this flame footage for a long. Just I want to place this video footage for ons as like video transitions, but this is will be flame effect. So let me reduce the duration of this flame video footage. Okay, you can take a look. So let me zoom in the area. Okay, I want to place this flame video footage in between of two video clip. Okay, right now it's placed in the middle of two video clip. So let me play this one. Okay, you just seen when the video footage is playing and when this first video clip is going to be finished and when the second video footage is going to be started, only the flame video footage is showing. But we don't want to show the flame video footage only. We want to show the first and the second video footage as well along with the flame. So how you will do that? You can do that very easily. If you want to show them at ons, then you have to use the blending mode for this flame video footage. So you just have to select this flame video footage, and inside the effect control you will get the blending mode from the opacity option. So this is the opacity option, and inside the opacity option you will get the blend mode. So right now we have the normal blend mode, but as I was saying that I want to show the first and second video footage along with this flame video footage. So the first and second video footage will be played and showed inside the flame. So in that case we have to use the blending mode. But which blending mode we will use? We will use overlay blending mode. So you just have to go for normal option, and from there you will get different type of blending option like a multiply. Let me show you the multiply. Okay, it also works well for blended, and you can take a look. Right now we have the preview of our first video inside the flame video, but I'm not going to use the multiple. I'm going to use the overlay. So this is the overlay blending option. Now it really looks good. So let me zoom out the timeline and let me play the video footage from here. Okay, cool. You've just seen a nice flame effect is performed in between these two video clips as like a transition. Cool. So only one thing is remain, that is we have to use the music in this video footage, as we don't have the music part for this video footage, and in that case you can unlink the video, but I'm not going to unlink the video right now. I am going to just place the music track at our audio track toolbar, as because we don't have the proper music with our video footage. So let's import some music. Here is the file menu, import option, and here is a fall color. I'm going to use this fall color. You just have to select it and then you have to click open. Here is my music, and let's place it in our audio track toolbar. So we have the big length for our music, and I'm not going to use them all. So I want to reduce the extra music part, and that's why we have to use the razor tool. So here is the razor tool. Let me cut it in here, and let me use the selection tool once again for selecting the rest of the area, and then you just have to press what? Delete. Cool. So let's play the video footage from the beginning, and let me play this clip. Okay, so this is how you will apply the crop effect for your videos. This is how you will add the flame, and this is how you will blend the flame videos in between of first and second video, and finally you will have the cinematic effect for your videos. So see you in next lesson.